So there is a very beautiful presentation for top hospital management software products. So I will help you go through these slides and make you understand what exactly we are talking about when we are discussing the difference between two kind of platforms for data management in hospitals. So why hospital management software for data management? The main reason for hospital management software is because it's easy to handle so many data for the hospital. So the software also reduce the human error, and it gives a better management results. There are two options for hospitals to access their data through software. So one is software installation and another is cloud computing. In software installation, that is, you are getting a software file and you are installing it in your system, and you are accessing your data or miming your data through that software. And the cloud computing is nothing but a web based solution where you are miming your software, miming your data, as well as you are using the data for your day-to-day purpose, but all the data are accessed through websites. That means you are not having that software installed in your system, but the software is installed in the faraway server and you are accessing the result from the software through websites. So you must have an internet connection to access your data management software. So advantage of cloud computing over software. So when you are using a web-based solution for data management, there is no virus, no data loss, because whenever your system shut down or your system get damaged or your system is stolen by someone, your data is safe. Your data is not stolen. Now we have to understand what are the types of application required in hospital. So it can be accounting management, it can be a appointment management, it can be a bed management, it can be billing and invoice, it can be budgeting and forecasting, claims management, expense tracking, it can be human resource management, inpatient management, inventory management, outpatient management, patient record management, physician management, policy management, revenue management, and this list goes on. So what are the different workflows we are facing in this hospital industry? So there are mostly three platforms. That is, one is clinics. These are private clinics where the patient goes and take the appointment and get them checked or get them treated. Second one is labs, who are processing different kind of samples from these clinics and hospitals. And third one is the very basic things. These are hospitals, maybe private or government hospitals. So in Attune we have three types of platforms mainly: health kernel, lab kernel, and clinic kernel. So as the name suggests, health kernel is for hospitals, maybe it's a government hospital or a private hospital. Lab kernel is mainly a software for laboratories, and clinic kernel is for clinics. So these are a list of, it's not exhaustive but a very suggestive list of clients who are very much satisfied with our service in last 6 years. This is Bilro Hospital, or maybe the Hindu, Irony, Co-Diagnostics, Age Eyes Hospital, or maybe MedAll, Ivy Hospital, or Dr. Kamalakshmi Memorial Hospital. So what is unique about Attune? The uniqueness of Attune services is they focus on benefit and uses. They are truly integrated. People are saying that we are integrated, but they are truly integrated. True SaaS and customizable, pay as you go use, and excellent service support. In a service industry, service should be best, otherwise there is no chance of survival in this competitive world. This is a very brief SWOT analysis, what we are doing and how we are strong, how we are weak, or how we are in the opportunity, or what are the threats for us. We will come back to this slide later on. Competition. So there are two platforms in this scenario, cloud computing as well as software. So there are 3-4 companies who are into cloud computing and some few companies who are into software manufacturing. So this is a list of competitors for cloud computing. So I have two docs files. One is a list of installable true patient management software and another is a list of true web-based patient management softwares. If I click on this, there is a list of companies like SoftClinic, HIMS or eHat or ProMed. These are the companies who gives installable true patient management softwares. That means you buy the software, you get it installed on your system and you do your data management. We have a list of true web-based patient management companies as well. Again, there are few companies who were also there in software installation, and there are few more companies who are only providing true web-based patient management software like eHospital systems, like a new company called AdApps HMS, like Lifeline Suite or HMS Ultima. So why we are market player and we are very foremost market player? There are some case studies. So we will share these case studies after this presentation. So there are 3 case studies I am having in the presentation. One is Attune HIS case study. Second one is how Attune lab kernel helped Metropolis in the process of continuous improvement. That is a second case study. And the third one is lab automation in hospital. How Attune can help you in that is a very good case study to see and study. Now we have a small presentation, small video which I want to share with you.
Good afternoon. I am from Attune Technologies. Our founder, CEO, Arvind, couldn't make it because he had several other commitments. And the topic here was apps accelerating healthcare delivery. And I am handling mobility solutions in Attune Technologies. So I am the right guy to talk about. Attune Technologies is an established company in healthcare industry with all the IT products, whether you call HIS, LIS, EMR, pharmacy system, everything we have, and the systems are available on cloud. So that is the background of Attune Technologies, and we are also in the mobile apps now. So the topic apps, it's a good topic. We all know it's apps generation, right? Every house you go and ask, what is the complaint? People are addicted to smartphones. People are addicted to apps. And we just saw a few minutes back, even babies are addicted to smartphones and apps. So apps is the world today. The question is how it is transforming the healthcare industry. Right? So it's a vast subject. Let me explain from 2 perspectives. One from home healthcare, and if the time permits, little bit about in-hospital scenarios. Home healthcare is not new, right? We have seen in from our childhood days that home healthcare means suddenly you remember a senior citizen at home and the doctors coming. We used to have family doctors. They come whenever someone gets ill, come look at the patients and prescribe whatever. So it is not just that now. It's not about only senior citizens, right? Even we sometimes do not feel like going to hospitals because of n number of reasons. Some of the scenarios here probably you can relate to. See the queue there in the OPD department? Is there any way I can avoid? See the traffic there? Is there any way I can do things at home? So there are multiple such reasons where home health care is becoming really a good thing to have. It is not just for the senior citizens, right? And when it comes to IT, obviously what we are doing is you are seeing there lots of records, no more files now, everything available in electronic medical records.
Are you looking for an innovative platform that can automate your laboratory workflow with utmost data accuracy, propel your growth, and could change the fashion of your information management? Welcome to the dawn of a new era where complex information is simplified for your laboratory workflows. Presenting Attune Lab Kernel. To manage complex workflow and specific data requirement of any kind of laboratory, making all the information easily accessible and secure to you. Attune Lab Kernel is a next-generation cloud-based software that supports various workflow processes, promotes multi-center collaboration, and ensures regulatory compliance. In addition, it comes with multi-tenant data architecture for analysis and is ingeniously built for healthcare ecosystem integration, which is flexible, user-friendly, scalable, and reliable. Be it pre-analytical workflows such as mobile home phlebotomy, sample and patient registration, billing, credit and cashiering, sample transfer and batching, in-lab sample accession, sample sorting, or be it analytical workflows such as field work lists, instrument interfaces, calculation and interpretation, result batching, data validation, rule-based authorization, or be it post-analytical workflows such as custom design reports, patient history and trend analysis, centralized and decentralized dispatch, report delivery logistics, printing rules, schedule and automation, Automata and SMS, MIS reports and KPI dashboards. Or be it any other healthcare information management, Lab Kernel does it with ease. Attune Lab Kernel can help you design reports of your choice with simple clicks. It has multilingual support with absolutely no barrier on geography. Helps you get started with just a PC and internet connection, compatible with all web browsers, works on private or public cloud. The Home Collection mobile app aids the tech-savvy customers in home collection of blood samples and billing through SMS, email, print. So what are you waiting for? Connect with your patients, referring doctors, franchisee and partners with ease. Attune Lab Kernel. Access anytime, anywhere. Attune at a glance. With 6+ years of operations in over 12 countries, with more than 150+ happy clients, 2,500+ centers, 200+ employees, handling about 8.5 million PMR and transactions, Attune transcends its own legacy year after year. Come, let's unite for a healthier tomorrow. Are you looking for an innovative platform that can...
So here is a small demo of Attune software for the technician. So select one of the record. Now enter the detail. Click on save and continue. Click on yes. Check select all. Show on report. That's it. So Attune Technology is for physician. So the same. First of all, select the physician and click on go. Next, select one of the option from the table. Click on quick diagnosis. Select any one of the option. Enter investigation name. Click on add. Enter diagnosis here. Click on add. Enter the medicine name and click on add. Enter soap details if needed. Click on finish.